Good morning, Toyama and sunshine as we prepare to follow the northern coastline with the Sea of Japan on our left and the snow-capped Alps on our right on today's journey to Niigata. Breakfast is fairly self-explanatory, the usual Japanese take on a Western day starter. Alright, start of the day. Today is Sunday. Yes? Yes.
Yeah.
And we're heading to Niigata from Toyama. Not a bad day, a little bit overcast. Should be somewhere around 19 degrees. We'll be heading along the coast, but first of all we're going to get some fuel, and we're going to get it from a crazy, wacky Japanese petrol station where the Bowsers hang from the roof. So we'll see what sort of experience that turns out to be. The petrol station is closed, so we won't be going to that one.
Okay. Of course it is. Ambulance. Could it go a bit slower?
Yeah, they're not
It's like the lights are green. If he had been going a little bit faster, everyone would have been able to work out where he was going.
It'll make my heart stop beating. Just serve yourself here, is it?
Let's see if you can pick a language.
Yeah.
Credit card.
Oh.
There's credit card.
Okay.
Or you can pay in cash.
What do I do?
So we're using yellow, red or green?
Green,
No,
red.
green is diesel. So yellow or red?
So regular, red?
Red? Ah.
Credit card in yen?
We're still lit up. Now what?
I don't know, did you just pick up the Bowser?
See what happens. Sumimasen.
カードを入れられました？マスターカード。出てこない。
No.
Did you put the fuel in now?
Oh, 使えないんです。キャッシュ。
Cash.
キャッシュなら。
Okay.
We haven't put the fuel in yet.
Yeah.
So how do you know how much?
あ、そこと両方ですね。OK。入れます。はい。レギュラー満タンにして。
So the red one?
はい。
Is that enough? More?
入れます。レギュラー。
Yes, yes, regular, yes. Hey. Okay, so it seems that you put the money in first.
Yeah.
How much you want to put in, and then put the Bowser in.
Yeah. So how do you...
Hey?
So we need to watch and see how much
Yeah.
money...
Yeah. It's okay? Yeah. Hey.
So careful. I love it.
Oh.
Receipt.
お釣り お釣りこちらどうぞ。
Oh, go inside. So it was 2,200.
Arigato gozaimasu. This
ホンダ？
Honda, yes, Honda.
あ、ホンダ。
Honda.
ホンダなんだ。
That's a only small. Small. 1.9. Is it Ichi Q0?
190 cc。
Yes. Hey.
なるほど。
Hopefully the GoPro's picking this up, but yeah, the Alps, snow-covered Alps, Japanese Alps, the old Alps, the
Another cemetery in the middle of a rice paddy.
yeah. I wonder if the spirits help with the fucking harvest.
Well, I hope they're all cremated. Another one over on the right.
What about the house?
Yeah,
The
this
house
one's
is sort of...
got a house in the middle of a rice paddy.
That's like a living the dream. Oh, the Sea of Japan. Out to our left-hand side.
Correct.
So the only thing, apart from that peninsula there, but on the other side of that is Korea, isn't it? China?
Maybe.
On the other side of the pond. I love their overpasses, right? We pulled over for a rest stop at this service centre, and apart from the usual splendour of Japanese treats, there were themed ones in celebration of the Toyama Tulip Fair, which was being held in the prefecture. We spotted this carny pie with an odd description. It reads, "The crab, which I am very small and pretty, carries a thing with big scissors. Happy aqua life." Look at that.
Oceans and snow-capped mountains in the background.
Yeah, oceans and snow-capped mountains. That's... yeah, I've never seen anything like it.
And we, following the natural road around to the right. We stop. I'm confused. Keep going round. Confused.
Yeah, I don't know. There's no line.
Maybe.
I can guess it here.
Yeah, maybe it's telling us that there's
Yeah,
a
maybe
red
it's...
signal around the corner.
Yeah, it could be. Alright, so we've just come down off the freeway, whatever it was, down to the National Route 8, which is, I guess, sort of the Great Ocean Road, but maybe goes a bit further. And the towns will be bigger. Arimagawabashi Bridge over the Kuwatori River. I think we're heading into a little bit of a cove here. Look at the big thing that goes right out.
Yeah.
The jetty, I suppose. We're on the backdrop of the Alps again.
Yep.
Snow covered.
Don't we just come from...
That was not a dead end.
Oh, that's got a big fucking flame coming out of it.
Where?
Oh, further down. Should be able to see it in a sec.
Oh, okay, over the back, I can see it.
Yeah, I can't see it again yet.
Yeah, I can see it. It's
Oh, there it is,
fair
yeah.
income. It's a fair income factory.
Yeah, I don't know how...
It's a gas, probably an offshore gas facility. Liquid natural gas, liquefied natural gas.
Yeah.
The facility we spotted here is in fact a gas-fired Jiro-Jutsuka Yoku power station.
Oh, stopping.
What, for the red traffic light?
Alright. Nihon Kai Fisherman's Cape. There's a bit of a theme happening here.
Yeah.
So Sunday, yeah. So here we are Sunday. Honda place open with full workshop. People, mechanics working. Went past another place back there. It was Suzuki or
dealership.
something. Yeah, everyone's working. Office. Business as usual. Sunday afternoon. What time is it? Like 2 o'clock or something?
Yeah, 2:30.
Yeah. Weird. Well, the customers come. And there's a lot of customers.
Oh, maybe they're open for the people
See,
who...
there's a bank there. That's the bank's open as well. A SoftBank and Y Mobile, which is Yahoo.
Oh, okay. This looks like the car yard strip.
Yeah. It's a Narry Warren sort of fountain gate.
Oh, there we go. Drug tops again.
Drug tops. Okay, so today we've been having lots of fun with the Japanese traffic light system. We've run about 5 red lights half the time because we don't even see them. They're confusing. Sometimes they're up and down, like vertically arranged. Sometimes they're not. They're up horizontally arranged and hidden around a corner. There's lines on the road, but they're not where the traffic lights are. They're about 50 metres back from us. You can see the one up ahead now. That's not too bad. Here's one of those Toyota Centuries, a limousine car, like from years ago.
You gonna stop?
Oh, I've got to stop here. Where the fucking light is. Still in there, the light. I'm looking over the light thinking I'll park on the light. No.
No, park before the light.
Yeah, you park before it. This one's green, obviously.
Because there's no lights on both sides of the intersection.
Yeah. Oh, look over there. The Alps again. The snow-covered Alps that's been following us all the bloody way. Jeez, I didn't even realise there's such a big mountain range along
No.
Japan like
I
that.
think it like goes all the way up the guts, doesn't it?
It's inside, yeah, like we're sort of, I suppose we're doing a bit the same what we did in Europe. We're sort of circumnavigating it.
Yeah. Except it doesn't say to end.
Yeah.
So we found a bit of a parking area to have a break, which just so happened to be next to the Kakizakigawa Bridge over the Kakizakigawa River.
Nozaki. Well, watch out. Sports stadium or something, Sunday night. There's a big dome thing there, so maybe they're getting out or going to.
Maybe a bit of both, because it's bumper to bumper in both directions.
Yeah.
Oh, hang on, there's two stadiums.
Oh, it's two, yeah, there's two. And single lane roads kind of.
Japanese people are patient. They'll just queue.
Yeah, that'll be right.
For hours. They'll queue for hours.
We've got some noodles in the car and something to eat.
Yeah.
Oh, plus a circus.
Oh.
Yeah. Oh,
yeah.
something.
Yeah, it's a circus.
Circus.
Definitely. Absolutely.
So it's all going off here in Niigata. Right, now we've got to
It's going off.
Yeah, it's going off. Exiting here. Niigata Kamida, that's it. Right, and underneath this overpass. Turning right.
Okay. Right. Okay.
Somewhere here. It's probably the wrong angle.
Completely the wrong angle.
Anyway, let's get sorted.
This is our room at the Comfort Inn in Niigata. Once again, not huge but functional. And this is the view outside our window. We went for a walk to get dinner and found that many of the businesses and car dealers were still open. And this was around 6 p.m. on a Sunday night. Our journey today, hugging the coastline from Toyama to Niigata. Hope you enjoyed the scenery and thanks for watching. See you on the next one.